It's a certified 2020 Cadillac XT4. Cross out your old expectations of crossovers. This XT4 is a moving statement of big utility and plentiful features in a compact package. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, gas pressurized shocks, smart device navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, rear parking sensors, streaming audio, remote engine start, leather steering wheel, configurable instrument gauges, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Cadillac, a luxury maverick. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today. Call us today at 813-565-0061.